Hi everyone, my name is Keith Wong. Welcome to the course Getting Started with Scratch Programming. This is a beginner level course and therefore no previous computer programming experience is required. Before we start looking into Scratch programming, let's have a quick look at the course structure. To start with, we will have a quick introduction about Scratch programming and its development environment, followed by walking through the basic components and programming features in Scratch with some simple examples to learn how we can start programming in Scratch. After we learn the Scratch basics, we will create a simple animation to see how we can put the basic components together. Then we will look into some more Scratch programming features to learn how we can interact with the Scratch programs. Lastly, we will finish the course with a quick summary and suggestions for next step. Now, let's have a quick introduction of Scratch programming in next video.